just want to sleep. I'm tired. I'm tired.
My name is Talent. Every day is a new day. Every day is a brighter day. Every day is inspiring. There's opportunities everywhere. We don't need to cry too much. There's something we can do to help ourselves. Hey, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
My name is Dawn, and I'm feeling really tired. I'm feeling sad. Very sad. Who do I turn to? Who do I turn to? They're mean, they're mad, and them have money. They're mean, they're mad, and them have money. Who do I turn to? They're mad, and them have money. They're mean, they're mad, and them have money.
Don't give up on yourself. That's right there.
They know what to do. They're mad, and them have
I'm cutting myself deeper, deeper. Does nobody see my pain? Hear my cry. Hear my cry.
I'm not mad. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? I need to have a voice.
They told me it's all in my head. I just need to be strong. I need to be a man, a woman. I just, just get it out of my mind. It's just in my head. I'm weak. That's what they told me. Just cheer up. Just cheer up. It's easy. Look at the day. The sun is out. Just cheer up.
They say I'm crazy because I walk along. I cry every day. I know I'm strong inside, but how do I get it out? How do I get it out? I don't want to look silly. I'm not silly. But how do I face my fears and get it out? Tell me, please.
Wow. You're not alone. You are not alone. There are too many of us here. We're suffering in silence. You've got to speak out. Believe in yourself. Speak out. Be bold. They're mean. They're mad.
I need someone to listen to me. I need someone to listen. Just to listen is a comfort. Just to listen. Please listen. Listen, Lord. Listen to me. Listen to my cry. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.